So here is the other part of the cables. So we have two cables that we want to connect. So the neat thing about this is they are exactly the same, and then we can insert like this, so, and then you can bend the end here back on itself. So that's a pretty neat connection. So you can see here, this is an example of unit when I've used this technique. Thank you and goodbye.